In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto replies on Gmail. Auto replies can be helpful when you're unavailable, but when they're not needed, it's important to know how to disable them to avoid sending unnecessary emails. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, ensure you're logged into your account. If not, enter your email address and password to gain access. Now that we're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This will open the Quick Settings panel. From here, you'll see an option that says See All Settings. Click on that, and it will take you to the full settings page. In the Settings menu, there are various tabs running across the top. We're interested in the General tab, so go ahead and select that. This tab contains many of the default settings for your Gmail account. Scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled Vacation Responder. You will notice that Vacation Responder is a feature that allows you to send automatic replies when you're away. If it's currently enabled and you want to turn it off, all you need to do is click on Vacation Responder Off. Now take a moment here to double-check that everything looks correct. You may see some fields with text that was part of your auto response, like the subject line or message body. Disabling won't delete this text, so if you ever need to reactivate the feature, that information will still be there. Once you're satisfied, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. It's crucial to remember this step because if you skip saving, all the changes you've just made won't take effect. A quick pro tip: if you foresee toggling this feature on and off frequently, consider drafting the message and subject line in a note outside of Gmail. That way you can simply copy and paste it back when needed. This helps streamline the process for future use. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto replies on your Gmail account. This will ensure that no automatic messages are sent out while you're not utilizing the Vacation Responder. Feel free to revisit this setting anytime you need to make adjustments. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.